Another video about annoying features annoying behavior in Windows. Let's say I click here, and I want to scroll on the left in the sidebar with directory structures, and I'm using a scroll wheel. When my mouse is over here, doesn't work. Over scroll bar, doesn't work. Let's see, to go to Windows where we have a lot of files. Let's say I click local disk C in Windows, and I want to now scroll on this right panel, main area. It's still doing it, scrolling there, even if I'm scrolling here. So I need to click on something. And this is annoying, because if I have a file and I want to save, and let's go to Windows, where we have a lot of files, and let's say we are in a situation like here, and I type my file name first, my precious file name, and I want to actually change directory. I want to change directory, but let's say my focus is still on the left. Let's say this is a situation we are right now, and I want to go to system 32. So I'm trying to scroll here on the right to go higher with the scroll using scroll wheel. No, it still scrolls on a sidebar. So how you need to either focus and click on the scroll bar to scroll, but it actually doesn't bring focus here. It still scrolls there with the mouse wheel, or you need to click here. I can click here on the left side, and then I can scroll, right? But if there's, I can easily, or I click here, like in the middle between the icons, because if I misclick, my file name is changed, and this is not helpful. I could also, I guess, right click. No, it also changes. So you need to be extra precise to activate this window without changing file name. And this is annoying. I don't really like this, and this always gives me I start becoming annoyed a bit by this, and I wanted to show you this problem. Yeah, and this is also inconsistent with some other applications. If we go to Irfan view and we go to properties, there's this settings dialog, and we have this extension list, right? And you would like to scroll it. Okay, you can scroll it. Oh, that's interesting. But if I change the menu, the category, and go back to extension, now it doesn't scroll. My window, my mouse is here, and it doesn't scroll. Even if I move scroll bar, I cannot still scroll with my mouse wheel. That's really annoying. So I will show you how it kinda should work properly. If we go to SM Player, for example, and I go to this pane here, I don't need to click. I can just scroll. There's another list. I can just scroll. I didn't need to click on anything. Yeah. So that's my main problem, that in this save dialog, in anything related to Explorer, like, yeah, now I want to go higher. I want to change directory. Maybe there's a directory I want to click just above this one. I can't. I need to use a scroll bar, or I need to click on something. So if I'm here, if I'm here, I can just click on it, and I have a focus. But if my focus is here, and there's a lot of files, and I don't want to click on anything, so the good example would be to go to Windows again, and we have this, and we have a lot of files, and we also are like here, and I want to change to drive I. I can scroll here because I have focus, but I need to click on something on the left to bring the mouse wheel focus here. I can't. I need to click on something, and by clicking on something, I am distracted. It's you need to move, so you need to use a scroll wheel or click on something and do back. So I have this tendency now, like if I'm in a directory where I have files and I want to scroll on a sidebar, well, all I do is click on something, anything, go back with the mouse, and then I can scroll. That's the fastest way to do it. But there might be cases where it is worse. If there's a lot of links or buttons, there might be no place to click safely because it can activate something you don't want, and that's all. It's very annoying. Thank you.